up, Team PineAPPLe, Team PineAPPLe? Yes. Welcome to PineAPPle TV. Yes, this is live. Let's be kind. And to my right is the Queen for the win. Yes. And it is early in the morning. We're getting in our live. And just like the current vibes and the vibes we've been flowing on, it's kindness. It is kindness. Practicing kindness. And the whole reason why do we practice kindness? Because it makes us better people. It helps us create better relationships with people. It helps us makes us feel good about ourselves, and so much more. And I like to suggest it is one of the foundational pillars that can help us become our best selves on a consistent basis. So with that said, we're on number 10 of practicing kindness. And you know what that is, Gwen?
Practicing kindness?
Yes, number 10.
Oh, it is cleaning up.
Cleaning up your own shit.
Yes.
Cleaning up your own mess. At a restaurant. For example, when people go to eat and they're sitting around the table, they get their food, and then they just leave everything right there. Wouldn't it be nice if people just picked up all their plates, put them all together to make it easier for the server? Yes. What about at a coffee shop? You go, get your coffee, they bring it to you, and hey, why not when you're done, pick it up and go give it to them? Why not? Another one is you're eating in a workspace at your job or whatnot. Pick up your own shit. Throw it away, please. And it is that simple. Seeing somebody pick up their own mess. Think about it. When you're going about your day and you're moving around and you see at a restaurant, you will see just how rare it is for somebody to clean their own space. And if you see somebody doing that, please, best believe, go and ask them a question. See who they are, because that person is a very kind person. That person is a very considerate person. And those are hard to find. Anything that you would like to add, Miss Coca Queen?
It's another way.
What up, Jesse?
It's another way of showing that you're considerate.
What was that?
It's another way of showing that you're considerate.
Exactly.
Like what we talked about, pushing in the chairs, even though you might be thinking, oh, well, they get paid to do that.
Exactly.
It's not about that. It's about acting kind.
Exactly. Making it easier for somebody else.
Yeah.
Making it easier for somebody else. And that is the thing. Like she mentioned, being considerate. Wouldn't it be great if a person that you were dating or in love with were considerate about your feelings? See, that's the bonus. Don't you probably think to yourself, how did they get to be like that? And I guarantee you, they do things like this. They smile at people often. They push in chairs wherever they go. They pick up their mess, like the one, number 10, that they were suggesting.
They say, excuse me.
They say, excuse me. They've forgiven themselves on some things that they feel guilt with. They just move around very lightly, and they make other people feel great, or they make it easier. So that's the thing. It doesn't take a lot. And that's why we're getting in the habit of practicing these small acts of kindness, so we can feel great about ourselves. So we can feel like, you know what? I can do these acts just like I'd work out. The more you work out consistently, because I keep bringing this up, working out 3, 4, 5 times a week, the stronger and the better shape you're going to get in. Very similar to kindness. The more that you practice it on a daily basis, right, the kinder you're going to get. It is that simple. By just smiling, by just pushing in chairs, by just saying thank you everywhere you go, by picking up your own mess. It's that simple. And by practicing kindness, I guarantee you, you will find the other people in your life that you need to find. And kind people just so happen to be the ones who will help you build and help you grow your dream. So with that said, always left my must to you. Hella smiles, please, 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 everyone. Keep spreading those laughs, and those good vibes that you have. And stay magical.